so okay, so checklist here, and okay. Okay, so let's start this plane up. So batteries both on, parking brake set, chocks removed, GPU ground unit. Okay. Okay, yeah, so no GPU unit, so I have to do this and it won't work, so I need the APU on. Wait, yep, I need the APU. Fuel pumps on, this goes on, ADS switches are going for on. Okay, so APU just started up, flap is open. Okay, ADS switch sec to nav, panel displays full brightness. I have to wait for them to come out. Okay, these are the ECAM brightness. Okay, and those. Okay, so we can hear the APU starting up. Warning system. Okay, no, yeah, there's no APU, so there's no electricity yet. I have flaps and set for takeoff. Spoilers set on armed. Waiting for APU to start. Windshield working. Logo and nav on. Wing lights, beacon lights on. Oh, yep, now it's on. Yep. And the plane has just started up. APU is alive. Yep, so APU is on. Flap open. Okay. Electricity is on. ADIR switches are on and ADIR will align in 6 minutes. This has to go on. This is too bright. Okay. Okay. Brightness FCU on. This is on. APU is on as set. You'll go on. And okay, so now we have to make sure that failure works. Okay, this one works. APU, yes, it works. And engine number 2. It works. Cargo smoke works. Okay, so alarms are working, everything is okay. Oh, just heating up the temperature of the cabin. Okay. Okay, let's start up on the MCDU. So init, I'll take off from KZZV was V /KCMH was M and H. Okay, so I'm going to Columbus. Return, okay. Code index would be 50. Cruise flight 10,000. Yeah, wait. Yeah, 10,000. Flight level 10,000 minus 5 degrees, okay. Program V1 would be 140 knots. Rotation would be 145. And V2 would be 150. Flaps set on 1. Okay. I'll need a flight plan for takeoff. How long? 3 minutes. Okay. So beacon lights on, done. Emergency light. Oh yeah. So seatbelt lights on, no smoking lights on, emergency lights on. Landing lights for, I want them to be like lower. Guessing checked, working. Checked, working, off now. Okay. Checking the cabin. Doors and oxy is okay. Bleed is okay. Engine is not started. Okay, so pressure, cabin pressure is okay. Electricity is okay. Hydraulic nothing. Fuel is well, it's okay because there's the APU, that's why. I had to start the APU. Flight controls working. Okay, everything is working. Okay. Doors wheel down, okay. Conditioning 20 degrees, okay, it's good. So now let's start what do I need? Let me see. I'll need to start the engines first. APU bleed on and engine master switch on. No wait, engine start. Yeah. What do they call this? What's the name of this button? Engine mode selector. Okay, so engine mode selector is on. Engine start. Engine 2 start. Okay. So as N2 will be at 20%, fuel flow should start. And yep, it started. Okay. And N1 should increase as N2 increases. Yes. Okay, oil pressure is checked. Oil pressure is okay. Everything looks okay, yes. Oh, and Adios is now aligned, and that's perfect. Engine 1 as is available and started. Okay. Starting engine 1, I meant engine 2 was started and good. Yep. Engine 2 is okay. Waiting for engine 1 to start. N2 increasing 20% and fuel flow is okay. Now N1 is increasing as N2 increase. That's okay. Everything is on. Yes, everything is on. Okay, fault packs, oh that's normal. And generator 1 and generator 2 are not faulty, so that's okay. Packs are faulty, but that's normal for the moment. And engine 1 should start available, yep. So now in 3, 2, 1, yep. Both of them has started, so now engine mode sector are normal, APU bleed off, APU master switch off, and APU start switch will switch off on its own. Yep, okay. Okay, so takeoff configuration is done. So, oh yeah, auto brake is on max, cabin, oh yeah, speed brakes armed. There, and cabin has to be checked before takeoff. Okay, so now before taxi, promo window hit on auto done, standby instruments set. Okay, T-gas is set, radio is set. Okay, so taxiing will be there. Okay, FD on. Okay, this is on. I need some more brightness on this. So I have to choose one departure from this place. Okay. Okay. Elevator trim set, flight controls, free and correct. We already did that. Autopilot is okay. Okay, I think it looks okay. So now I'm going to ask to be clear for departure for the west, I think.
Kilo Zulu Zulu Victor traffic AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149 taking off runway 22 departure to the west.
22, okay. So departure from 22, that's the one, insert. And there's actually no... Oh, okay, there's no tower. Oh, hello. Okay, yeah, so there's no tower, so that means I have to do all this on my own. Announcing taxi.
Kilo Zulu Zulu Victor traffic AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149 is taxiing to runway 22.
Okay, just let me check one thing quickly. So 22 is over, so I have to push back and then turn. So I must... How do I push back? Okay, that's it. I'll take control on my own now. I just wanted to go backwards. And so runway 22 is over there, I think, so let me see. Yeah, so I have to go and take off like this. To turn to go to Columbus. Okay, I don't know which runway to take for my descent and my... Oh god, there's 4 runways at in Columbus Airport. Oh god. So there's 210 and 228. Let's see. RLS. Let's take this on the 10 right and say yes. Okay, so now I have my... Okay, so this is how I'm going to go to land. Okay, that should be okay. Let me see the flight plan first. Okay, so then we have... Oh god, what the hell is going on? Oh, what is this about? I'm not supposed to do like some... What? Where? God, it's like... The hell is... What? I should turn like this and then do this? They're crazy, yep. They're actually crazy. Yep. So let's try something else, maybe. Let's try maybe not this kind of let's see 10 Earl. What do you propose? Let's see. What do you... Oh god damn it. No. Okay, let's try the 20 Earl. What are you doing now? Okay, ah yeah, so this one is much like it, yeah, so I'll just turn here and then... What's this? Holy sh... Is that? Yes, that's what I think. That's not good. So we might just take the first one we saw, or maybe the last one. Let's hope for it. That's the best one. Okay, this one's going straight like this. Okay, let's take this one. Yep, let's take this one. Let's hope that's the one we'll take. Okay. So going for taxiway. Now, so I'm turning like this, I'm gonna be aligned again. Okay. Okay. It's going to avoid this height. Okay. Wait, I'll be preparing the cabin for takeoff.
Cabin proceeds for takeoff, please.
Kilo Zulu Zulu Victor traffic AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2 taking off runway 22 straight on departure.
And the lights on, takeoff lights on, runway turn off lights on, and yep, we must be good. All lights are working. Yep, okay. I've forgotten this, and we're good to go. Have we actually had a clearance to take off?
Kilo Zulu Zulu Victor traffic AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2 taking off runway 22 west departure.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Let's hope this runway is actually long enough. Let me see. If it's not, I may crash. I don't want this to happen. Oh shit. Right. Where is... Oh, there it is. Departure. I took the 20... Oh god, this is not long enough. Oh god, that's going to be so fucked up. I might just put flaps on. Maybe 2, yeah. Because I don't have enough runway to take off. Yeah, so flaps 2. Okay. Next phase will be climb. Okay. Let's hope this is okay. And take off. Stabilizing 40% and 1, and first full thrust to get and brakes off, released, and going for takeoff. Now I hope that will be okay. God. knots. Come on, I need 140. Give me 140, yes. V1, rotate. Oh yeah, wow. Positive weight, gear up. Flaps weight on schedule. Spoilers
Indianapolis
disarmed.
Center AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902 is type Airbus A20 and 1 mile southwest of Kilo Zulu Zulu Victor. Request flight following. AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902 Indianapolis Center. Squad 5712.
AP1 on.
Squad 5712 AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902.
7-5, okay, yep. Good,
AFL
and
1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902 radar contact 3 miles southwest of Kilo Zulu Zulu Victor 3,100 feet. Altimeter 29.92.
92, okay, done.
Copy AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902.
Okay, so lights off, okay, landing lights still on the 10,000. Request IR for clearance for
Indianapolis Center AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902 4 miles southwest of Kilo Zulu Zulu Victor. Request IFR to Columbus, ready to copy. AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902 is cleared to Columbus Airport as filed. Squad 5712. Delta 1504, you are trace 6 miles southeast. Descend and maintain 10,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 28 left approach via head of transition. Clear
that's not me, that's another plane.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902 cleared to Columbus Airport as filed. Squad 5712. AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902 rate back correct. Radar contact 4,900 feet. Altimeter 29.92 turn left heading 285. Proceed on course climb and maintain 12,000 feet.
No, 12,000 feet, I'm not even like
Turn left heading
40 knots,
285. Proceed on
40
course climb and maintain 12,000 feet.
nautics
AFL
from it.
1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902. Generic tree 01 contact approach on 129.95.
Yeah, that's another plane there.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 14902, you are trace 7 miles east.
Oh, that's the one, okay.
Maintain present heading and altitude. Expect ILS runway 28 right approach via Atapi transition. Cleared to Atapi.
First lever is okay,
Generic
AP1,
922
taxi lights
contact
off,
P1 center on 120.4.
ATC down, landing lights off, passing 10,000 feet.
Maintain present heading and altitude. Expect ILS runway 28 right approach by Atapi
Right,
transition. Clear to
right.
Atapi. AFL 1492 Alpha
Yes.
Foxtrot Lima 14902.
That's the good ILS approach, so yes. That's okay. That's perfect, that's what we want. 28 right.
Going to 129.95 generic tree 01.
So we want the approach phase. Not yet, but almost. (2008) feet. Okay, so no, that's not what I wanted. So let's start our descent. Like let's start a descent at 3,000 feet, approach. Come on, okay. I need the QNH, so QNH must be the same. 2992. 992. Temperature must be 7 degrees. And I need the wind for my landing. I'll activate ILS. Got it. I'm still too high, wait.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2, please expedite your climb to 12,000 feet.
Why don't you respawn? Okay, I'm starting my descent. You're kidding, I'm not going to go at 12,000 feet.
127.1 for United 2104. AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2, please expedite your climb to 12,000 feet.
No. No. Alright, I forgot to put this on TCAS. Start this like this. Okay, our speed is under, that's okay. So for the approach, flaps set on 1. Okay. Yep, so we're above, so we have to go down like this, that's okay. We are nearly aligned.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2, please expedite your climb to 12,000 feet.
I just try to like...
Generic 1 Whiskey Sierra, contact Indianapolis Center on 120.475.
Now,
Going to
and so lock.
120.475, Generic 1 Whiskey Sierra. Indianapolis Center AFL 1492
now I'm
Alpha
locked.
Foxtrot Lima 149er 2, requesting vector to next waypoint.
What's this?
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2, continue to Hannafy, turning and following heading 285. Continue to Hannafy, turning and following
so
heading
consider
285.
right
AFL
over
1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2.
I'll be arriving in Columbus in less than maybe 10 minutes. So approach, let me see, approach. Fasten seatbelts on, is on. Radio set, speed established 120 knots.
Is out of flight level 370 for 10,000 feet. Generic November 772 Papa Indianapolis Center, continue as planned.
Okay. Still good. Yep. And we're aligned with the runway. That's perfect. My speed is there. 130 knots. Flight level is coming up. Atis approach information still nothing.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2, please expedite your climb to 12,000 feet.
I won't. Okay, speed is good. Full flaps are on. flaps down, established, landing gear down. Not now yet. We'll have cabin checked. Yeah,
Generic
okay.
53 Whiskey, you're 42 miles east. Descend and maintain 10,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 9 or right approach by a Fuller transition. Clear to Fuller. AFL 1492
Here I'll
Alpha
start my
Foxtrot Lima
turning.
149 please expedite your climb to 12,000 feet.
Actually, I don't need to turn here because I'm actually already aligned with the runway. That's
Climb
done.
and maintain 10,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 9 or right approach via Fuller transition. Clear to Fuller. Generic 53 Whiskey.
Cabin is not checked.
Camera crew, please take your seatbelt.
Ah, okay. Now it's done. And will be the landing gear, so okay, it's okay.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149 please expedite your climb to 12,000 feet.
No, I won't.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima
thanks.
149 descend and maintain 2,800 feet.
Ah, thank you. Now I am at 2008.
Descend and maintain 2,800 feet. AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149
And approach has started. If I turn, I'm fucked up. Tell me I'm not turning, please, I'm not turning. Don't tell me I'm turning, please. I beg you to not to turn, please. Okay, I'm not turning, so landing gear down. Oh, I thought I was going to turn, but I'm already on the approach now. Cabin again.
Camera crew, please take your seatbelt.
Okay, speed is okay. Spoilers are armed, flaps full. Checklist is done. Gears is off. 145 knots. It's okay. Parking, everything is okay, and I'm perfectly aligned. And 1000. Okay. That's perfect. So when I'll be near the touch ground, I'll have to stop it. Oh, what? What in the hell is going on? Why? Yeah, like what in the hell is my plane doing? Everything was good and I just fucked up now. What the hell is going on? Okay, I'm coming back on the end, short end.
Indianapolis Center, generic Romeo Papa Alpha 5836 is at 10,000 feet, descending 2,800 feet.
400.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149
Okay, I'm good.
contact Indianapolis Center on 120.475.
I'm good.
Generic Romeo Papa
And
Alpha 5836 Indianapolis Center, continue to canopy as planned. Altimeter 29.92.
and
Going to 120.475 AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149
engine off. And
Indianapolis
autopilot
Center AFL
off.
1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149 is climbing through 1,000 feet for 2,800 feet.
30. 20.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149
And reverse on.
Indianapolis Center, continue as
And
planned.
landing has been
Altimeter
done.
200.92.
Well, really nice, perfect landing. Reverses are on. 60. Flaps up. Spoilers retract. And I missed my way out. Okay. And now I'll ask the gate. Ground. Okay, I don't have the wind. That's why I actually turned on the side.
Columbus Ground 8 FL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2 request taxi to the gate.
Yeah, I don't have the wind.
Columbus Airport information.
Yeah, that's the wind. 232 at
Taxiing to
5.
gate 25 using taxiway Charlie AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2.
Like here, like, I didn't have the wind, so it was like 232/5. And I'm going back to the gate, so now checklist, landing checklist done. Okay, so after spoilers done. Okay, engine mode sector on normal, done. Landing lights off. Well, off, not retracted. Strobe lights on, off. Anti-ice off as required. IPU start. We wait for 12 seconds before to start the start button. And it's been 12 minutes. 12 seconds. Parking brake checked. Brake temperature, I mean, checked. It's okay. Brake temperature is good. Transponder off. So on standby. Taxi to the gate. Okay. APU start. Checked. Run. So, yep, it's running. Flap open. And check the APU generator, which is here, which is good. It's off now and on now, so it's okay. So yeah, it's okay. Elevator trim is takeoff settings. Okay, turning to the gate, taxi lights off. Okay, so now we're going back to the gate. Is there other planes like online? Well, this one's going quite fast. Oh, there's one plane coming for the approach to Columbus. Oh, there are already other planes. Oh, 2 other A320. We might see this plane land. I think that's the one. Yeah. It's quite high. I wonder. Oh. Is maybe not going to land? That's a good question. It's quite high to land. Okay, checking APU has started. Perfect. Doors open, I want it closed. Yeah, it's like too high, it's not going to land. No, it's not landing, it's not. Yeah, it's certainly not landing. And the other one behind is going to land, that's for sure. Yeah. It's going for landing. Quite a good little ride on an A320. Is this a A320 as well? actually going to write stop here like this, and I want to see his landing. Yeah, it's an A320. He must be using ILS. Ooh, that was hard touch ground. Mine was so smooth. Reverses are on. He put the brakes, I think, yeah, because he like slowed so fast and so quickly. So another A320 coming to Columbus Airport. John Glenn, I don't remember, I think it's something like this. Yeah, so ILS off, autopilot off, flight directors are off, this can be off, and the approach is off. Okay. The APU has started, that's cool. Okay, engine is okay, temperature conditioning is okay, doors are okay, everything is okay, yeah. Hello.
Columbus ground Airbus Foxtrot Tango 254 taxi to the gate.
Haha, that's him. Yep, that's him. Foxtrot Tango.
Tango 254 taxi to gate 19er.
He did like me, he blocked. He waited on the side like this and he just went for it. Oh, ground services. Jetway connection. I'll do it after.
Taxiing to gate 19er via taxiway Charlie Airbus 254.
Nice. Hello, mate, friend. God, looks like your wheels has been like fucked up. Like you hit the ground so fucking hard, like your wheels blown up. Holy God. Oh God. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this time there's a control tower over here, there behind this metal piece of this plane. And we are turning. Yes, this is the gent. Yeah, the connection. The how do they call it? The jetway. I think the other bus will go somewhere like over there. Yeah, he's already there, like, ta-da! Like, on this side there's only Airbuses. Airbus. Airbuses, like the buses are flying Airbuses. Oh, that was bad. Now it's going on the other side. Oh, come on, man, there's a space for you between us. Yeah, so there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 Airbus. Yeah. Are you on the phone? This man was on the phone. God damn it, you do your job. Hello, Miss and Mr. Yes, sir, I'm coming. Okay. Shouldn't I like just do it my way? Okay, so that means come on. I'm going to fucking hit him. Okay, let's say that's okay because I can't even see him anymore. Okay. Okay, let's say this is okay. Yeah, because then I'm going to be like... Okay, yeah. So Gentway is connected already. So now... Okay, so... After engine down, this is down, okay. Taxi lights off, I said. Oh, but they are off, okay. Parking brakes set. Thrust levers on idle. Then ground contact established. Yep. So I don't need this anymore. Yep. And I'll ask for this.
Columbus ground AFL 1492 Alpha
Electronical
Foxtrot
power
Lima 149 or 2.
established,
Could you
yes.
please send the catering truck?
Oh, yeah, oh wait. No, the power is not ready yet.
AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er to the catering truck is on the road.
Okay, power supply, that's it.
Columbus ground AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149 or 2. Could you please
On
send a ground
and-
power unit?
When engine master 2 and
AFL
1 are off.
1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er to a ground power unit.
Okay, thank you, I'm glad to know I actually succeed this one. So both engines are going backwards, rolling backwards. Okay, this is look nice. Okay. I would like to be on the ground service, please, thank you. Per supply requested.
Columbus ground AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149 or 2. Could you please send a ground power
I
unit?
just asked this like 2 minutes ago, maybe even
AFL
not.
1492 Alpha
Knife
Foxtrot Lima
lights
149er
off.
to a ground power unit is on the road.
Off. APU can be off because now I have, yeah, the external power supply. Engine master 1 and 2 off. Okay, parking brakes on, nav lights, extra lights off. So off, off. And did he just? Yep. I don't know what he did, but he didn't take the button. I don't know what happened. And then lights retracted. Passengers and doors must be open. Oh, the door is not open. Weird. Yeah, it says already. Okay. Fuel. Catering truck.
Columbus ground AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149 or 2. Could you please send
Fuel
the
pumps
catering truck?
off. So fuel pumps
AFL
off.
1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er to the catering truck is on the road.
Okay, fuel pumps is off. Okay. Done, cabin is okay. Beacon off, done. Ecam system. Okay. Is normal. State tube. No, it's state. Okay, it's not system, it's state. Depressed. Okay. Flight panel lights, I mean, okay, panel lights, so that means you, oh god, you and you. And, well, maybe not you, yes, because I have actually finished. Oh yeah, wait. You off, and you off. Well, not off now, but off. It can be on normal. Okay. The air conditioning can be on 0 set like this. That's it. You on off. Off. Okay. Audio switch is off. Okay, so now I don't have any more of these. Yep. Okay, they're out. Avionic off, no smoking is off, APU off. Okay, batteries now can be off. So before the batteries, I want to make sure open door. Okay, open. Okay, this is okay. Yep. You can go back on this. How can I go back? Alright, like this. That will shut down and go back to 0. So I actually have finished. So I hope you like this flight. This really short flight, but really cool as well. We have a really good landing. That was amazing. And I'm going to leave you here. So bye bye. And bye bye. Like yeah, there's nothing in the plane left. And off. And now yeah, now the plane's off. I hope you liked it. So I'm going to leave you now. And, oh shoot. Oh shoot. How bad am I on this? Oh god, I'm so bad. Oh wait, I just forgot something. Really important. God, I'm bad.
Columbus ground AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2. I am done with power.
Yeah, I'm done with power, so you can go now. And I can actually tell him to go back as well.
Columbus ground AFL 1492 Alpha Foxtrot Lima 149er 2. Could you please disconnect the jetway from the aircraft?
From the aircraft. And bye bye. Yep, thank you. Okay, this is good. Okay. Okay, this can go, and this as well. And voila. And finished. See you next time, guys, and thanks for watching.